Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. I'm out walking around in the woods today doing some photography. Something I used to love, and I haven't done enough of it in the last couple of years to stay in love with it. And so it's a little different one for you today. Today we're going to talk about the difference between being in love and falling in love, and how falling in love is something that happens to you, while being in love is something you have to work at. Come on, let's talk. So falling in love is a glorious, glorious thing. It's something that happens to you. It's you find something strikes you. Something or someone strikes you and you fall in love. That is a thing that happens to you. Staying in love with that thing, being in love with that thing or that person takes work. You have to keep being in love with that thing or that act or that person in order for that love to remain. I've been struggling with my passion and my love for things the last little while, woodworking specifically, but also part of the reason I'm out with my camera today is that I used to be in love with photography. And I didn't nurture that love. And so it disappeared. And I would like to get it back if I can, but I would at least like to recognize that was a big part of my life for a long time. Or, just take my camera out, go out and do some of what I used to do and see if that feeling comes back. Maybe it won't. Maybe it's gone forever. We don't know. But I know that because I didn't work at it and nurture it and take care of my love for it, it went away. And that happens with a lot of things in this life. When we don't work at them and take care of them, they go away. Possibly never to return. So today I'm out taking pictures. I'm going to do some photography. I also, as we know, I have a great love for wood. And so that's why I'm out taking photos in the trees. Because I don't know if you know this or not, but that's where wood comes from. So I have a deep love for wood and also where wood comes from. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm photographing things that I love. I'm trying to re-find my love for photography by taking photographs of something else that I love. Is it going to work? Too early to tell. But I know that I want to be in love with these things. I have been in love with these things. And I still could be in love with these things. But I'm going to have to work at it. And I think that's something that we should all think about a little more often once in a while. Is how do we stay in love with the things or the people in our lives that we have fallen in love with, that hit us like lightning when we fell in love with them? How do we harness that lightning and hold on to it? Or do we need to? Maybe we don't need to. Maybe the initial strike of lightning and falling in love with something or someone or an act or a place is enough. Maybe that's all it needs to be. I don't know. This is some cool lichen. Anyway, that's what I'm up to today. I'm doing some photography of things that I love, which is trees and nature. And I'm going to see if my love for it comes back, or if it's gone forever. And if it is, that's going to have to be okay. Sometimes the light hits something just right. Sometimes something hits you just right. And maybe that's all it needs to be. Maybe all we need is that moment, or the falling in love. But maybe it would be better if we could stay there, you know? I guess in some ways, maybe it doesn't matter. I mean, we should appreciate and be thankful for the moment, however long that moment lasted or is going to last at any given time of love, and that it struck us at all. Yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? I guess I'm just kind of like ruminating, cogitating. Maybe it doesn't matter. Maybe love is fleeting, and yeah, we should just be thankful that it showed up at all. And sometimes it showed up exactly when you needed it, which is amazing when that happens. And maybe that's important. And maybe that's important enough. What I do know is that it is important, and in fact, I would say it's imperative. It is an integral part of the human experience. To have love, to be in love, to fall in love with things and actions and entities and people and ideas. And maybe we just need to appreciate when that happens and not worry about the longevity of that. Or maybe we should be putting the effort into trying to hold on to it for as long as we can. Or maybe sometimes one and sometimes the other. I don't know. I'm gonna head down to the beach and find some cool wood down there. We got lots of good driftwood. Driftwood is very interesting. And yeah, go for a little wander down by the water. I've had some good time to think and reflect. We'll see if I got anything good while I was out here doing it. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. Be kind to yourself, be kind to each other. And maybe think about the things that you love or have loved over the years. And appreciate the opportunity to have done so. That's what I'm doing today. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.